All right, so I'm in my final semester at Berklee. Yay me. Now, with that comes a final project where we have to score to a full short film. As you know, I love 2D animation, so I knew immediately that I wanted to work within the medium of 2D animation. So I reached out to as many animators as possible in animation schools. Thankfully, I was able to collaborate with a team from Goblins in Paris, and they have a film called The Alchemists. I am going to be working on The Alchemist. And I thought it'd be cool for me to go ahead and show you guys behind the scenes every week of my process of composing to this short film using my 5-step series that I came out with last year. So according to step 1, you have to study the film's story. So I did just that, hopped in the DMs, asked them a few extra questions about the different characters in the film. Here's what they sent back to me. So once I got all the information that I needed about the characters and I fully understood the story of this film, I went ahead and started writing the main themes. But let me not get ahead of myself. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of this video of the 5, so that way you can find out more about how I created the music for this film, The Alchemist. Peace out.